Welcome everyone to the Knights Province Sheep, Wool and Gambeson feature highlight video. My name is Igor and in this video I will explain how the sheep, wool and Gambeson mechanics work. Let's start with the production line. Here we see all the required buildings for the wool production line. The farm produces crop like we all know it does. The sheep farm uses the crop to feed the sheep. The animal breeder has already started spawning the sheep. If the sheep moves out of the way, then the animal breeder can actually continue. There we go. Right now the sheep are growing up. And once that's done, they start producing wool. Let's see. Okay, some of them have started producing wool. Oh, this one is already going nicely. Yep. Grazing, wool. Nope. Wool. Ah! He already sheared the sheep. So now he's processing the wool. And that wool gets taken to the tailor. Let's order some Gambesons. Let's train a unit. So everything is the same except for the production line of the armor. All the stats of the units are still the same. Now let's actually build a sheep farm. To build a sheep farm you need a woodcutter and a sawmill, so let's place those first. You don't actually need crop farm to build a sheep farm. And I'll explain later why. Okay, let's place the sheep farm. When you place the sheep farm in the fences, the pasture, you want to leave a gap. Because you want to avoid any units getting stuck while building it. As you can see, this small line next to the big one, that's the direction from which the builders will be building the fence. Let's speed up a bit. Even when your units get stuck, you can always delete the fences with the building delete. Okay, so now there are units still inside and I want to get them out of the way. So what I usually do is I just build something and then I wait for all the units to actually move to the building location and then the serfs will start to... Yeah, okay, let's go. Now they're all out of the way. Now I finish it up with the last piece of fence. Make the animal breeder. And there he goes. You can start spawning sheep now. So you can, that's one way to make the pasture. Another way to make the pasture is by actually using some of the natural terrain. So this is, for example, a perfectly viable, perfectly okay way to make the fence. Okay, let's see. Are any units getting stuck? Yeah, this one is gonna get stuck. Okay. Animal breeder. Let's free them. And now we can also just use existing fences, but also buildings. So I can use this wall of the other sheep farm for my pasture. Be free, my servants. Did I run out of wood? Oh. Interesting. Anyway, so that's it. They can be built in various ways, various shapes. And, wait, one more thing. They can share their pasture. So this is also perfectly fine. The maximum pasture size is 80. And each sheep will need 5 tiles for maximum efficiency. So technically 4 sheep farms on 1 pasture is the biggest that you can go while maintaining optimal efficiency. What we have here is a test setup I designed to highlight how terrain and feeding actually impacts the wool production. So we have grass fences on top, grass pastures. We have grass pastures with with smaller size, so low morale, low efficiency. Everyone on the right will have crop available. Everyone on the left will be without crop. We have dirt floor and we have sand floor. And I'll let this run for an hour and then we'll discuss the results. Okay, I've ran it for an hour and these are the results. So the top 4 are the ones that did not have any crop available. And 5, 6, and 7, 5, 6, 7, 8 did have crop available. The first one was just grass and 100% efficiency. The second one was grass, 50% efficiency. Third one was dirt, 100% efficiency. And then there was sand, 100% efficiency. And as you can see, they did not grow at all. Sand does not provide any base growth. And dirt should actually be half of the grass. But because there's the growing up phase, it's a bit skewed right now. So we should have actually left out the growing up phase, but that's a bit difficult to do. But you get the idea. As you can see, the feeding is actually a big impact, 75% increase, and it's probably a bit more, it's actually a lot more because the growing up also goes faster. So yeah, crop is important, but you can do without crop. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below.